Hi guys! Let's just hop right into what the video is. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing how I cleared up my skin. As you can tell today, well maybe you can't tell, I don't know. I'm not wearing any face makeup today. I do have a little bit of highlighter on, but like other than that, like I just put highlighter on my bare skin. Just because how could you not? You have to have the highlighter, you know what I mean? So basically I'm just wearing like mascara and like a little bit of eyebrow, but I'm not wearing any face makeup today. So the point of this video is how I cleared my skin, and I kind of also wanted to do this video when I had no face makeup on, just so I could kind of show you guys like how my skin has like progressed. Let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I'm just going to show you. It's just one product and you're going to be like, okay, but then you're going to try it and you're going to thank me and you're going to love me. This is what it is. This is the apple cider vinegar. I don't know if you guys, sorry the glare is probably kind of bad. I don't know if you guys have heard of this before. So basically I heard about this from the lady that was doing my mom's hair. We're like good friends with her. She told my mom about this because I was like having really bad breakouts about a year ago. Just breakouts just all over. Like it almost looked like some nights. I remember specifically St. Patrick's Day. I was so embarrassed because I was like at like a party with my friends, you know, and it was St. Patrick's Day and I just looked like I had the chicken pox. And I never really like had issues with like breakouts and like acne before that at all, really. She told us about this and so we looked it up online. This is what it is. It's the Bragg apple cider vinegar, and you want to make sure that you get this with the mother. So basically, let me just start from the beginning. Basically, you can find this at any like grocery store. I just found this at any of my local grocery stores. Like they have it. Like it's not a super like hard thing to find or anything. So I just got this at my local grocery store. You can order it online. I'm sure I'll try to find a link and link it down below for you guys. You do half apple cider vinegar and half water, and you just put this on your face. So I use it as a toner. So I wash my face. I'm telling you, this is all I do to my skin. Like I have the most simple skincare routine and I do it every single morning and night, unless I'm like out or something like that. But like for the most part, I do this every single night. And this is all I do. It's so simple, and people are like, that's all you do? But like, it's so simple. I wash my face with the Mary Kay, just like bar soap, like the facial bar soap Mary Kay. I just put this on right after with a cotton ball, just use it as a toner. I just soak the cotton ball and just put it all over my skin. I don't like to get it super close to my eyes because it can make them like burn a little bit. And also there's not really breakouts near my eyes, but I like put it over my eyebrows. Like I get it that close. And like, you know, I go underneath, whatever, but you just want to be careful of your eyes. I know you guys have seen this. I've been using this for years, like since before I started my channel. The Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I just use this moisturizer. It's super lightweight. It literally soaks in 2 seconds, but it just kind of helps because this can be pretty drying. You want to make sure you moisturize afterwards. What the vinegar does is it's going to kind of balance out the levels in your skin. When I first started using it, I was using it morning and night just because I really needed like a lot of it and I really needed it to work. But then once my skin was pretty much cleared up, and like now I don't need it as much because it's not as like urgent. So I just do it at night because it does kind of smell a little bit, and like once you have like your makeup on and stuff, like you can't really smell it anymore. But I don't know, I don't need it anymore, so I don't. So I just put it on at night, and then in the morning I just wash it off so you can't smell it anymore. You wouldn't think that putting this on your face would do as much magic as it does, but it literally does, like overnight. Like it's incredible. It just works so fast and so well. And now my skin is like, I'm not wearing any face makeup right now. Like I feel good. Like I don't need it. You can even use like the straight vinegar on like a little like Q-tip or something and just like use it as like spot treatment. I've done that before. That's enough ranting. I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying now. I'll try to find a link for it down below. I'll link the soap that I use and the moisturizer that I use down below. But really, I think the key is to keep your routine as simple as possible and as routine as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. I will talk to you guys in my next video very, very soon. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below. I guess that's it. I don't know what else to say.